Well, here we are with this promotion of this film, the first ever promo of this film called Mausam, which we started 4 years back. Our story is basically a love story. It's about 4 seasons. Seasons here don't mean rains and winter and stuff like that. It means basically 4 portions of love that happen between these 2 characters. And that's about it that I can say right now. It's taken us 4 years to reach where we have reached today. It's, to be honest, a fairly emotional moment for me. All of you have been with me in the last 30 years as an actor, and this is my first endeavor as a director. And I think whatever you've seen, you would appreciate it.
Yes, it has been quite a journey. It's been a film which has taken, like my father said, 4 years of his life, about 1.5 years or 2 of mine. And the entire family has been involved with it in a way where probably it's an experience which will happen with us only once. We've had the privilege to have Sonam with us, the beautiful, wonderful, lovely Sonam, who looks even prettier when she smiles like that. Yes, so like Dad said, I think this is an emotional moment for all of us.
As you can see, it's a labor of love, as Pankaj sir pointed out, and we have given our time and effort and everything into it. So thank you for coming here, and thank you Pankaj sir, Shahid and Sheetal for letting me be a part of this film.
If somebody has followed my career graph at all would have known that I directed television for about 5 years in between. So there was this desire to direct. I've been writing for a long time. There were talks about my directing for a long time. So here came one moment when we decided to go in for this film, this particular subject, which was frankly very specifically written for keeping Shahid in mind. It was specified in my head that this is a film to be made with him. It was not as if I had written the script and I decided to cast him. I have a lot of other scripts. We pondered over it whether he should be a part of them or another script should be written for him. So it was decided that a fresh film should be written, a fresh script should be written, and that's how the birth of Mausam happened.
Film Mausam जो है ये seasons of love के बारे में है. It's about the different emotions and the different situations that the 2 principal characters, मेरा character जो हरिंदर सिंह का है और लड़की का character जो आयत का है, what seasons of love they go through. That is the theme of the film.
Acting is like my first love.
Yeah.
So that's also something that I've been doing for a long time. So that comes more naturally to me. I have always directed, even when I was doing stage. I have directed stage, so there was always a desire to direct. When directing such a big project, it is taxing for sure, both physically and mentally. But it also gives you the pleasure when at the end you see the product that you are making seems to be coming closer to your vision. So there are 2 different experiences, but at the end of the day, the experience is going to be that of satisfaction. When you act and your acting is appreciated and understood, you feel satisfied. When you direct, if your film is accepted and people understand what you've done and appreciate, you feel satisfied.
I was quite fortunate. I flew an F-16. I don't think there's any other actor in the world actually who's flown an F-16. I think Tom Cruise ने जब Top Gun की थी, he flew an F-15. It was a very exciting experience for me. Honestly, मुझे प्लेन में उड़ना इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि यार ये प्रेस इवेंट है और मैं एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर बना हुआ हूँ तो कर लेता हूँ. बट मैंने सोचा था मैं पायलट को जाके बोलूँगा कि देख भाई फोटो वोटो ले लेंगे, थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले जाके पीछे से लाके रोक देना, मैं उधर जाऊँ. But when I actually sat inside, when I flew in it, I was so excited. I was shouting inside the aircraft because it was probably the most exhilarating experience that I've had. I'm somebody who loves speed anyways. So the fact that I was sitting inside an F-16 and I was a co-pilot in it was a great experience. I also went through G-forces, if you know what that is. जब आप plane में जाते हैं, you can go up to G9. Basically, G1 is when you feel your body weight. G2 is when you're feeling 2 times your body weight. So G9 means that you feel 9 times your body weight. You actually can't even raise your hand. That happens when they're doing different maneuvers. So he took me up to G6, which I was very kicked and excited about. So that's something I'm going to take to my grave with me. So yeah, it was a very special experience, and I think it helped me understand my part better. I think it helped me understand what all goes into being an Air Force officer and into being a pilot. We started shooting this film 2 years back, and Dad ने मुझसे कहा था कि तू मूंछ उगाएगा इस रोल के लिए. तो पहले मैंने कहा था, डैड मूंछ तो बहुत पुराने हीरोज उगाते थे. This is not.
My dad has a mustache.
But he's a legend. We are talking about us struggling actors right now. So coming back to Mausam and the mustache. So I was very iffy about it. I never thought I'll be able to have a mustache and things like that. So I remember having this discussion more than 2 years back when Dad said that almost every Air Force officer has a mustache, and he wanted me to have very short hair in it as well. After that, yes, a few films have released jismein a lot of actors have sported mustaches, so it's interesting and it's nice to know that so many people thought about it in and around the same time. I hope people like me in the mustache, and I think it's right for the role, so I think that's most important.
I had never met Shahid without his mustache before in real life. I've seen him on screen and all, but I've never met Shahid. I'd seen him with his growing his mustache, and also when we started reading, he always had his mustache. So when he took off his mustache, I felt really weird. He's like, when my dad shaves his mustache, I find it very strange. So when Shahid had removed his mustache, I was like, oh my God, can you grow it back, please?
And the first thing she told me when she saw me in my mustache was, "Oh, you look just like Papa." तो वही decide हो गया था कि I look like Papa, and that's where the curtains were drawn. This is quite funny because हम लोग पूरी फिल्म पे डिस्कस करते थे that इस फिल्म में डैड ने डिसाइड कर लिया इसके बाद अब कुछ नई चलाने का मुझे मौका नहीं मिलेगा, बिकॉज मैंने साइकिल चला ली, मैंने स्कूटर भी चलाई है फिल्म के अंदर, मैंने ट्रैक्टर चलाया है, मैंने प्लेन उड़ाया है, और ट्रेन में बैठा था उसमें, उसको चलाने का मौका नहीं मिला. प्रोड्यूसर ने बोला कि ये ज्यादा रिस्की हो जाएगा. हाँ, गाड़ी भी चलाई कन्वर्टेबल ओपन. या सो दैट वाज क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग, बट आई थिंक इट्स, एंड वी सैट ऑन अ विक्टोरिया आल्सो. वो घोड़े को मैं नहीं चला रहा था, घोड़े को सोनम, यू वांट टू टेक क्रेडिट दैट तू घोड़े को चला रही थी, व्हाटएवर यू से. नहीं, घोड़े को हम दोनों में से कोई नहीं चला रहा था. I think he is an icon for all of us and the entire generation. I think हम सब उनकी फिल्में देखते हुए बड़े हुए हैं. We've seen romantic, iconic films of his like DDLJ and कुछ होता है, and we've grown up. I remember मैं theater में बैठ के देखता था, and I used to feel एक दिन मैं भी ऐसे dialogue बोलूँगा, कुछ होता है, So I'm fortunate that my father has chosen to make an iconic love story, an epic romance like this, with me in it. And I'm so glad that I'm getting to play a part which has been played by an iconic actor in the past. I tried very hard to request Dad that as an Air Force officer of the Indian Army, I should be doing an item song where I expose my body, and we should do it in and around an aircraft. I tried very hard, but Dad felt that he would not want to do something like that in this film. Because like you said, this is going to be, and his attempt is to make a relevant film, and he thought that the effort was very irrelevant.